Hello Facebook, hi everybody. It is Jamie here. It is cocktail time with Jamie, and it is Friday, so I'm sure lots of you need a cocktail right about now. Get ready for the weekend, last shopping weekend before Christmas. So hope everybody's getting all their shopping done or has gotten it done. And I'll give everybody a moment to join in here and join me live. So hope everybody had a good week, and it was a nice week. We had some nice weather this week, so hopefully you got outside, enjoyed, walked around, enjoyed the nice weather. So I see some people joining me now, so thank you very much. If you are watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up so that let's see, it is holiday parties today. I'm sure we're going to get some happy hour people sitting at the bar, and we're going to see. So I am going to quickly go over this week. So our $9.99 to go special, takeout special, is our brisket pizza. And that is available to go. Our regular menu is available for takeout as well. So in order to take out, I'm just going to go over quickly our Christmas Day and our New Year's Day hours. Christmas Day we are closed. We are open as a soup kitchen. Christmas Eve we're going to open at 4 o'clock. Our kitchen will close around 9:30, 10 o'clock on Christmas Eve. And New Year's Eve we will open at 4 o'clock, and our last seating will be at 7:30 that evening. And I highly recommend reservations for both Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. And I see some people joining. I am trying to talk Marcus into doing a to-go box for New Year's Eve like we did last year. Unfortunately, we can't do alcohol to go this year, but we can do food to go. So our regular menu is really available, and maybe we can get together and do a takeout box with just dinner for Friday night, New Year's Eve, and then maybe brunch on Sunday. So let me see what I can get together this week. It's been a crazy week for us, and I will try my hardest. Besides that, I am going to start my drink. It is called a Black Forest Cake Martini. We're going to use black infusions. They're dark cherry liqueur, so I'm going to add about an ounce of the dark cherry. I'm going to add about an ounce of amaretto. And I'm going to add an ounce of Irish cream, St. Patrick's Irish cream. Thanks everybody. I see lots of people joining me now. I appreciate it. I appreciate you watching me. Let's see how this tastes. This was a recipe that Michael from Black Infusions sent me. He is the maker and the owner of Black Infusions. They make a fig and a apricot and now a dark cherry vodka. Shake that on up. Pour it into our martini glass.
Yeah, they're bleeding. They're like street I think it's probably.
I need to add just a little bit more cherry.
You know, just make it work.
No, ooh, it smells like cherries. Beautiful. Yummy. I'm going to top it off with a cherry. Actually, we're going to put 2 cherries on here. We're going to put, let's see if I can get them here. Oh, there we go. Someone taught me a long time ago that you never put just 2 or 1 when you put, or 1 or 3 is what you put on. So we're going to do 3 cherries on this Black Forest Cake Martini. There you have it. The Black Forest Cake Martini with dark cherry, black infusions. Let's go ahead and taste it. It tastes like a cake. It is right. Black Forest Cake Martini. Very, very good. Excellent, everybody. So thanks everybody for watching me. It is Friday. I will probably not be on Saturday or Sunday, but I will hopefully be back on Monday, bringing you some more cocktails, getting ready for the holidays. This is a great cocktail, a dessert cocktail, I would say, but it is delicious. Cheers, everybody. Have an awesome night, and we will catch everybody soon.